Has the pandemic made you feel exhausted? If so, are there any things that have helped you feel restored?
Oh, yeah, definitely like the pandemic has made me like I think it's difficult to just like find a balance between like, school and then cuz like during the pandemic I'm always at home and then I have to do like both school and then cuz I always feel like home is where it's the place where I can relax, but now I need to do both. So it's kind of hard for me. Yeah.
I would say yes. The like pandemic has definitely made me feel exhausted, just like because of the pace of like things naturally moving along, and just like the place that I'm at right now. But I guess how like I restore myself is usually just like me time, just like I guess like the whole thing with like self care. But other than that, it would just be like being on my phone, TikTok, whatever. And I wouldn't really call it restore. It's just like me wasting time because it's just like my own time rather than like always being on the run, trying to focus on school, internships, or like whatever the assignment is. That's like how I would like rejuvenate myself.
No. Me, I'm not the great example of suffering from pandemic because I traveled the world during pandemic. Because the tickets were suddenly cheap. You take COVID test and with mates we flew to Central America and so I'm not the greatest example.
Yes, this pandemic has made me feel very exhausted. Things that have made me feel restored is just like hanging out with friends and making a community where I feel comfortable and where I can be myself.